Efficient personnel management is critical to the success of any retail firm. Recognizing this, Shopify POS has powerful capabilities that simplify and streamline staff management operations. Shopify POS enables shops to successfully manage their staff by providing clock in and out capabilities, commission tracking, and role-based access management. In this video, we will look at the importance and benefits of Shopify POS employee management features, demonstrating how they improve timekeeping, improve commission tracking, and provide precise control over employee access and permissions, ultimately fostering efficiency, productivity, and operational excellence. Timekeeping clock in/out functionality. The clock in and out capability in Shopify POS enables retailers to effectively manage employee work hours and expedite payroll operations. Employees may effortlessly clock in and out using the POS system, properly measuring their working hours. With this capability, retailers can remove manual timekeeping techniques by digitizing timekeeping, eliminating errors and potential disparities. The system tracks clock in and clock out times, allowing for correct estimation of employee hours for payroll purposes. This automation streamlines administrative tasks and saves both companies and employees time. Furthermore, the clock in and out functionality of Shopify POS gives shops visibility into employee schedules and shift coverage. Retailers can manage employee work hours effectively, ensure proper staffing levels, and make intelligent scheduling and resource allocation decisions. Tracking commissions for performance evaluation. The commission tracking tool in Shopify POS allows retailers to effectively track and reward staff sales success. This feature enables shops to assign commissions to particular employees depending on their sales contribution. Retailers can monitor employee performance and promote sales excellence by tracking commissions within the POS system. This data-driven strategy encourages healthy competition among staff and inspires them to meet sales objectives. The commission tracking tool also improves reward system transparency and fairness. Employees may access their commission earnings within the Shopify POS system, creating transparency and confidence between employers and employees. Reports can be created by retailers to monitor individual and team sales performance, identifying top performers and areas for growth. This data-driven approach to commission tracking provides insights into sales trends, aids in the identification of successful sales methods, and enables focused coaching and training. Access control based on roles for security and efficiency. The role-based access control, RBAC, functionality in Shopify POS allows shops to manage employee access and permissions based on their jobs and responsibilities. This granular control assures the protection of sensitive data and POS system operations. Retailers can use RBAC to allocate distinct roles, such as cashiers, managers, or supervisors, to employees, each with their own set of rights. This prevents unauthorized people from accessing crucial tasks like refund processing, inventory management, or discount application, guaranteeing that only authorized personnel can do these actions. RBAC not only improves security but also operational efficiency. Retailers can minimize errors, prevent unintentional data updates, and ensure data integrity inside the POS system by providing employees access to only the functions and data relevant to their employment. Furthermore, RBAC streamlines the onboarding and offboarding operations. When new employees join the team, retailers may grant them preset roles and permissions, ensuring they have immediate access to the relevant functions. Similarly, when employees leave the company, their access can be quickly cancelled, lowering the chance of unwanted access. Scalability and integration. Employee management tools in Shopify POS may be smoothly integrated into overall retail operations, accommodating enterprises of various sizes and scales. The system is simple to set up and configure, allowing merchants to define employee positions, arrange commission schemes, and control access based on their specific business needs. Shopify POS's personnel management features are scalable, offering the tools needed to properly manage the workforce and enhance operational efficiency whether you run a single-store boutique or a multi-location retail chain.